How to connect a custom domain to your Wix Studio site. So to do that, just click on the disconnect domain option and to your homepage. Or if you can't find it, you can also hover right here to your settings. And then you can find it under your website settings. So when you try to go right here, just go right here to your website settings. And then from in there, just wait for this to load. In here, you can scroll down, and from in there, you can see this your site's domain. So you can connect your own branded domain by upgrading. So for example, let's try to head over and then use in here the method for the homepage. Let's try to connect in here a custom domain. So to do that, just click on this right here, connect domain option. And then this will load. And then after that, you should be able to see in here some settings and some features as well. Just enter in here the domain that you want to use. So for example, let's put in here site6 for you. And then click onto this let's go. And then it will look for .com, .online, .shop. And if sees that .com is available, you can head over and click on this get it option in order to get it. So here's are also some suggestions you can get from this one. So that's how you can make a custom domain to your Wix Studio site. Hope we helped.